Hello everyone, in this channel I will try to enhance your experience with unique, exceptional and creative techniques. So you can see in front of me there is a device which is energy free device without any electricity, without any electric motor. The vanes are spinning. It was invented in 1870 by Dr. William Crook. So the name of this gadget is Crook's Radiometer. It has paper thin see-through glass light bulb with partially vacuumed. So the air which is trapped in the bulb has some gases. With the reaction of that gases, the vanes spins. Basically what happens in it is that sunlight hits the weather vanes, pushing it around, and the photons, items or tiniest packets of the light which contain hot energy, it reflects on the vanes, which cause the vanes to spin. Now I am stopping the light. Even because the vanes are hot, that's why it will run little bit longer, and after that it will stop. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share.